Okay guys, I just won a stake, so I'll just, oops. As you can see, I'm not the richest. I lost about 12 bill, as you know in my last video. So, yeah. See what I can do. I'll just do the extra bill until I lose. It's probably be like a really short staking video, but, you know, let's go for it. Okay, so I'll be back when I find... This guy, I think he's got my cash, so I don't know if he'll be able to hold it. Oh, let's just do it. Whoa. Why do people try and scam like this, you know? Just take a look at his name and, yeah, basically you can have a look that, he is a clear scammer. Nah, I won't be able to list that. Shite. Okay. Actually want to keep that in the vid because it's evident that he's a scammer, so I'm not taking that. Okay. I was just trying to get the elite set. Let's go for it. Max. Spelled that wrong, look like an idiot. Okay. Looks like you didn't want to take the red off though. Okay, so we'll go for 150 mil and boom. Alright, okay. I don't know, 50 mil. That is the price. Come on. What is he saying? Alright, okay. Okay, let's go for it. Good luck. So, I don't know if there's any, like, really style that's the best, but I normally just flick through them and then, you know, go down. Get my spec. Oh, damn! This is how it's spec. What did I take out of bill? Okay. Let's do this. Let's do 200 now. Still got about like 3 odd bill in the bank. I've got, oh yeah guys, I've got bulk runes if any of you want to buy. Like literally like serious bulk runes, and I was rich, I just bought runes for the laugh. So yeah, if you want to buy bulk runes, I've got 1 million heads. Oh shit. 450k. Oh my god, I'm wrecked. The fuck. See, that's what I hate about this game. That is clear proof that this game is shite sometimes. You just see right there. Right, we're going for the big one. Going for the... Nah, mate. I don't care what level it is. I'm going for the big one. If we lose, we're down and out, basically. So yeah, let's go for it. Yes, we go. Okay, we're back on our fight one. Okay, so food. Okay, good luck. That was actually quite good for me. Oh, come on. Oh yes, Rambo Rambo. Come on. Good fight, mate. Unlucky there, but you know, those things happen. So yeah, I won that. Well, not my bank stake, but you know. But yeah, so if any of you want to buy the rooms, I've got, well, I was telling them, I got 490k, but I'm willing to sell 450k. I've got 1 million air rooms, so I'll sell them. I've got 90k waters, and 60k deaths. So yeah, PM me in game if you want to buy anything. Also I got these, I think 250 to 300 each. And if you want to buy any gold whips or DFSs, etc. Well, rune essence, you can buy in the shop. I got flame frags on it. Argonite, oh, I love that little bad boy. Pull that down for locked in. So yeah, anything else you see in my bank that you want to buy or offer for, you know, just let me know. So yeah, let's do another VLS. If I lose, I'll conclude the video because I'm up quite a bit right now. Well, since I've been down. So I'm back when I find one. It seems to be that we'll do another VLS. So through the defense, like I always do. Oh wow, I got scammed. Well, at least I got proof. Yep, I got proof. If I win this, nah. Yep, this is gonna get uploaded. There's his name, Brian, and you've seen that clearly. So this is gonna be uploaded. So yeah, since I lost that, I'll be concluding the video. So yeah, bye guys. Subscribe.